Hello, in today's video we will be talking about ChatGPT for business. So, ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence technology that can be used to improve customer services, boost sales, and streamline operations for business of all sizes. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its natural language processing capabilities with ChatGPT. Business can be created customized chatbots that can handle customer queries and support tickets 24/7. This can help businesses reduce response time, improve customer satisfaction, and free up their support staff to focus on the complex issues. In advanced to customer services, ChatGPT can also be used to automate lead generate, customer onboarding, and sales flow up by creating chatbots that engage with customers at different stages of sales funnel. Business can improve their conversation rates and boost their revenue. But ChatGPT isn't just a customer-facing task. It can help business streamline the international operations by automating repetitive tasks such as data entry and handling. This can free up employees and focus more strategic tasks such as product development and marketing. Another benefit of ChatGPT is its ability to learn from customer interactions by analyzing customer conversations and feedback. ChatGPT can improve its responses over time and provide more personalized experience for customers. Finally, ChatGPT is affordable and flexible with pricing plans that can be tolerated to fit the specific needs of each business. Whether you are a small startup, large enterprise, ChatGPT has a plan that's right for you. And in conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for business while looking to improve their customer services, boost sales, and streamline operations with advanced artificial intelligence technology and natural language processing capabilities that can help business of all sizes achieve their goals. So, thank you guys for listening. On the screen you have a few benefits. You can ask it for more benefits. You can see what it does. Thank you for watching this informational video. If you like it, if you want more, leave a subscribe, leave a like, a comment, and see you in the next one. Bye.